Hello friends, today we will discuss a topic pump. Pump basically is a mechanical device which converts the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. This hydraulic energy is further transferred to the flowing fluid, thereby its pressure will go on increasing. As this pressure go on increasing, that pressure energy is further converted to the potential energy as the liquid is lifted up and it is getting stored. So this pressure energy will be further converted to the potential energy. So this was the basic definition. Pump is the mechanical device which converts the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. This hydraulic energy will be given to the flowing fluid, thereby its pressure will go on increasing. Then further this pressure will be converted to the potential energy as the flowing fluid is lifted up and it is getting stored. Okay, there are basic two types of this particular pump. One is the positive displacement pump, and second one is the rotodynamic pump. Now the positive displacement pump, we'll discuss about this particular type. The positive displacement pump are the pump in which whatever fluid is getting sucked in, the entirely will get displaced or pushed. Actually it is getting pushed with the help of a force or the thrust exerted on this particular fluid by a moving member. That moving member is nothing but a piston. So this is what the positive displacement pump. So the whatever fluid is sucked in will be pushed or displaced with the help of the thrust provided on the fluid, and that is with the help of a moving member called piston. The best example for this particular positive displacement pump is a reciprocating type of pump. Reciprocating type of pump. Then the next is the rotodynamic pump. In this case, there is a component like a impeller will be there, which will be continuously rotating, and through this impeller the flowing fluid will be passed. So as the flowing fluid passes through the impeller, its momentum gets changed. Its momentum is changed. As the momentum changes, that energy or the pressure will go on increasing, and then further this pressure will be converted to the potential energy as the fluid is getting lifted up and getting stored. Okay, so these are what the basic two types, positive displacement and the rotodynamic pump. The best example for the rotodynamic pump is a centrifugal pump, which is nothing but the household pump which we used. Okay, so now we'll see the types of reciprocating pump. There are two basic types. One is according to the fluid in contact with piston. There are two types. One is nothing but the single acting, and second one is the double acting. So in case of single acting, the fluid is in contact only on one side of piston. In double acting, fluid will be in contact on both sides of the piston. Second one, according to the number of cylinders. So there are various types like single cylinder, double cylinder, triple cylinder, then double duplex cylinder, quantiplex. So these are what the various types of, or the basic two types of reciprocating pump. Next we'll see the types of centrifugal pump. So centrifugal pump are classified on various types. So first classification is according to the direction of flow. According to the direction of flow of fluid. There are three basic types: radial flow, mixed flow, axial flow. These are the three basic types of according to the direction of flow of fluid. Second one, the type of according to the type of casing. So there are two types. One is volute casing. Second one is the diffuser casing, or it is also known as the turbine casing. Next, third type is according to the number of impeller. It is number of impeller. According to the number of impeller. So there are two types over here: single stage impeller and double stage impeller. Single stage and the double stage. Next, fourth classification is according to the number of entrance to impeller. Here there are again two types, that is single suction pump and double suction pump. These are the two basic types. Next classification, that is the fifth classification, is according to disposition of shaft. In this there are two types: vertical shaft and horizontal shaft. And the last classification, that is according to head. So this is having three classification: low head, medium head and high head. So when the total head is below 15 meter, then it is a low head. When the total head is between 15 meter and 40 meter, it is medium head. And when the total head is above 40 meter, then it is the high head. So these are what the basic classification and the introduction of pump. Next topic we will discuss about in detail about the reciprocating pump and the centrifugal pump. Thank you.